Welcome to the weather briefing for the week of March 26th, 2015. This briefing is brought to you by the National Weather Service in Riverton. Well, taking a look at what the three-day weekend looks like, starting on Friday, high pressure in place across the Intermountain West and the Great Basin. Our next cold front out here along the Pacific Northwest coast and moving inland, heading towards Wyoming. But on Friday, with that high pressure in control, it will be dry across the entire state. Looks like there could be some breezy conditions from the northwest late in the afternoon. Overall, a warm day with highs 55 to 65, and some basins, particularly the Wind River and the Bighorn Basin, seeing some temperatures climb to around 70. For Saturday, that cold front now approaching and moving into the state late in the day. As it does so, we'll see some showers break out across the Northwest Mountains, also the Bighorn Mountains. Overall, fairly light precipitation. It will be windy and warm ahead of this cold front. Elevated fire weather concerns for Saturday. If that's the day you wanted to burn your fields or ditches, please don't do that. Please consider an alternative day. High temperatures into the 60s for most places, lower 70s again in some of those basins where the wind will really get the temperature boosted a couple extra degrees. Now on Sunday, that cold front now well out into the plains states. We have high pressure moving back in across the Intermountain West. That'll keep things dry and a little cooler behind that cold front. Less wind for Sunday. Overall temperature still at or above normal with readings in the 50s to lower 60s. As we take a look at the outlook for next week and beyond, another cold front approaching on Tuesday, but before that, it looks like it'll be dry Monday and most of Tuesday. That cold front looks like it'll be here late in the day Tuesday, breaking out some showers across the Northwest Mountains again as it moves east across the state. Highs on Monday will be in the 50s across the western valleys with 60s to around 70 to the east. Again, with that wind kicking up later Tuesday, we could see temperatures even warmer east of the divide on Tuesday afternoon. And then on Wednesday, again, that cold front well out into the plains. So it looks like a repeat pattern. So it will be cooler on Wednesday with high pressure in place. Looks to be dry. Temperatures a little more seasonal. But then as we head into Thursday and even farther into Friday, it does look like it will be cooling further and have some unsettled weather towards the end of the week. Now taking a look at the 8 to 14 day forecast, looking here at Wyoming, kind of a hodgepodge here. Overall pattern, at least the upper ridge along the west coast has been breaking down, allowing for a little bit more mild temperatures for spring, this early in spring, to take place across Wyoming. And as we look at precipitation, again, kind of a hodgepodge. It looks dry across the southwest part of the state. Well, if we get that active northwest flow towards the end of next week and into the Easter holiday weekend, it could be a little more wet across the north. So this weekend, if you're looking to try to burn, please think about maybe doing that Friday, not Saturday. Temperatures much above normal, increasing wind that day. Please find an alternative day to burn, not Saturday. Before you do burn this spring, give us a call, 1-800-211-1448. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next week.